Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. In this one guys, we're just going to show you a new program we've just started using. When I say new, it's new to us. It might not be new to anybody else, but we're giving it a go. Same concept as iproyal, packet stream and Honeygain. So you earn money from using your data. You get paid out in USD, Bitcoin, depending on the program you use, whatever it is. For example, Honeygain, packet stream. Packet stream, I'm barely doing anything. Just like our previous videos, I'm getting gigabytes and gigabytes of data on Honeygain and iproyal, but nothing on packet stream. So I don't recommend signing up to this one over the others, but that's my personal opinion. It could be different for different areas, I'm not sure, but for me here in Brisbane, Australia, for the same period that I've used 5 megabytes and earned 3 cents, this is what my iproyal's earning. So big difference. Anyway guys, this one is about peer to profit. So easiest way to find it is just type peer to profit and brings up this, and just click onto it and you've got all your information. So you basically exactly the same, your averages, how much do you use, so you can see here distributing it. So we get our servers, so for us, your friend, essentially exactly the same as your money, or your Honeygain, sorry. So it's as simple as that. So yeah, they do have obviously their referrals. So 30 referrals, 300 referrals, 3,000 referrals, but it all depends on the amount that they get. So you guys can read through all the information here yourselves. All you want to do is create a profile, and once you've created your profile, it'll bring you to your dashboard page. So on your dashboard, it'll look something like this. It may be in a different language like this. Just click up here and go to English. Once it's in English, you're all good to go. Click download and install, and then I did this one for myself. I'm on Windows. Same thing if you want it for your mobile phone, Linux, Mac, pretty much whatever you want, you can download it. Once it's downloaded, you can go to your network and it'll look like this. Type in the email address that's linked with your account and click start, and it will work. And that you can change the setting to make it start up on launch or to start them. So we're just going to keep that closed. When you close it, it's still going to stay minimized down there. You guys can see all the ones I've got running. Other than that, you've got your ID. You can see that it's online, your IP address, so that's where we are, Australia, we're in Brisbane, our ISP, and the amount of traffic that it's done, and residential. So we're on Windows, we're running a residential platform, and we're on TPG internet. Now payouts vary, so we've done 13 megabytes. I've only had it running for about 5 hours, I think, so it actually tells you, there you go, so 5 hours, and we've done 13 megs. But if you go to your payouts, you'll see that there's different pay rates. So what you want to do is enter your Bitcoin address. Do not enter any other address, and please pay attention to this. The minimum amount is $10, $10 minimum. If you order a transfer when it's less than the $10 amount, you will lose the money. So just put your address in there, wait till it's over $10 and then cash it out. Any of your payment histories will be down here, and you guys can see. So I'm running on a residential at the moment, so I will get paid 80 cents per gigabyte. that's actually pretty huge compared to the 10 cents for Honey and 20 cents for IP. But then again, I'm not sure how much data these guys will chew through in comparison to the other ones and how much you're going to earn from that. Same thing as you can see that your other networks, so if you're running on a VPN, your mobile phone, so if you've got it on your mobile phone, if you've got unlimited data or a massive amount of data on your phone, run it on your mobile phone and earn $1 a gig. Same thing for businesses. If you get referrals, guys, same thing, you get a small portion for the referrals. So if you use our referral link and you earn on your mobile phone, you'll earn $1 a gigabyte, but we'll get paid 50 cents per gigabyte as well for referring you. So that's how all that works. Other than that, it's fairly simple. Once you guys have it installed, that's all you need to know. All your information is going to be out here. Order a payout. Do not order a payout unless it's obviously over your threshold. And other than that, you can just keep it running in the background. So I've got it running here. This is my gaming computer, but I've got all these generating income. So my Honeygain's at like $12. That's 3 cents. That's nearly 5. This is all US, and this has only just started today. I'll give an update in a few weeks about that. So other than that, guys, it's as simple as that. Once you download it, just like the others, just let it sit there and accrue your income over the long term. It's not a get rich quick thing, but hey, if you can get an extra couple of dollars every month, why not? Alright, we'll leave